Hey guys, what's up? I'm back here today and I'm going to show you how to make a stylish headband that's really cheap. You're going to start off with a fat quarter. A fat quarter can be found anywhere where fabric is sold. So it is 18 inches by 21 inches. So the short side is the 18-inch side. So in here, the long side is the 21-inch side. So what we're going to do today is we are going to make a headband that's very stylish and it's very easy. The fat quarters typically only cost between 97 cents to $1.50, all depending on where you live. So let's get started with this project today, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to lay our fabric down flat, and you're going to have the pretty side down on your table or on the surface. So we're going to take the bottom left-hand corner and we're going to move it in to the middle. And this is what that looks like. All right. So now we're going to take the top right-hand corner and we're also going to move it down to the middle, making it look like one of the elongated gems. So this is what it will look like. Okay. I know that's not a perfect image, but it's what I got to work with. Okay, so we're going to take 2 inches on the bottom side. We're going to take 2 inches and we're going to roll that 2 inches up. So now it should look like this. Okay, we're going to repeat that again. So take those 2 inches and we are going to repeat that. Just like that. Now we are going to do the other side. So now we're going to work on the top side and we're going to do 2 inches and then we're going to do another 2 inches. So now we have this. You're going to fold those two materials in half, with the folded side needs to be in the middle on the inside. So now we have this, and it reminds me of a taco. So we have the fold back here and we have the folded sides in there. Now what do? You're practically done now. That only took like 30 seconds, didn't it? So we're going to take the taco side and it needs to be up and put it around your neck. Pull out all the hair that you've decided that you want in the headband. So I like to have all mine in there. Gotta take my glasses off for a minute. Okay, so now we just pull it up to wherever we want it. I like to tie it on the most highest point on my forehead. I can move it here in just a second if I wish to do that. So then I tie just like the start of a shoe, but I'm going to do it double. So we have our initial first knot, and I got a piece of hair in there, and it's going to get pulled out as soon as, yep. It sure is. Okay, so after you have those 2 knots done, then what you're going to do is you see these little things here, you can leave them out if you want. There's nothing wrong with leaving them out. I just don't particularly prefer it. So I'm going to tuck mine. So let me find my little bunny ears, shall we? And those taco folds, this is where that comes in handy. So you're going to stick your finger inside half of the fold. So your finger should literally just slide right in there because of the unique folds that we did. You tuck that in. Then we find the other one. And we put our fingers into the taco fold. And we tuck that one in. It's got to make sure that's in the fold, or it will not stay. Okay. You adjust to where you want your headband. Boom. Headband done. You are ready to go out. You're ready to do whatever you want. You can go bike riding, swimming. Well, as long as you don't plan on getting your hair wet, go swimming. This can be anything. It's virtually a very stylish headband that you made from home. It's really sleek. It's easy. It's kind of traditional. It's just very unique. And it only takes about a second to do. So feel free to click that subscribe button and give me a big fat thumbs up if you like this video, and we will make more of the just a few minute crafts. So thank you. Bye.